In this video, we delve into the potential future value of 25,000 ADA by 2025. Join us as we analyze market trends, expert predictions, and key factors that could influence Cardano's price, offering crucial insights for investors looking to maximize their ADA holdings. At the time of recording, one Cardano token is worth about 33 cents, and its market cap to date is about $11.8 billion. The coin is still one of the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, although its price has not exactly reflected much of the developments that have gone into making the blockchain more useful. At the current price, buying 25,000 ADA would amount to about $8,250. And for a while, the coin has failed to truly hit a stride that many predict it to be capable of attaining. It led to people suggesting quite the limited price prediction for the coin, with many resigning for a push to at most $1 per ADA. If you hold 25,000 ADA, you'd have about $25,000 at that point. However, spending $8,250 to make about $25,000 is not a bad return on investment. It is at least 3x the capital investment. However, that much capital is surely not a small amount that most people can spend at a go, especially on just one cryptocurrency. If you want to trade ADA or other cryptocurrencies, I've partnered up with JumpX, a new non-KYC crypto exchange, offering up to $100,000 in bonuses if you sign up using my link in the video description below. ADA has had quite an interesting historical price action, and from that, those who have often paid constant attention to the direction of the market actually agree that Cardano is long overdue for a comprehensive price jump. Cardano has quite the depth story-wisely. The very first was that it was founded by an Ethereum co-founder, Charles Hoskinson, who had a beef with the way Ethereum was being run at the time and decided to set up another chain that could ultimately perform better. Cardano was highly anticipated, and when it launched, it was marketed at about $0.025 per ADA. It then jumped as high as $1.33. It meant that if it was around that time that you decided you wanted to buy 25,000 ADA, you would only have to spend about $625 to buy at launch price. And then, imagine holding on until it hits its first all-time high at $1.33. How much do you think it would be worth at that price? A sky-high $33,250. What is even more interesting is the fact that the coin dropped lower to about $0.0173 per token, which meant that investors had an even more fantastic opportunity to buy at a lower price before it went on another parabolic move. The incredible growth that would follow was majorly a product of increased adoption, partnerships, and the launch of the Cardano mainnet. This was what many began to see as the very first Ethereum killer. Cardano was far ahead of Ethereum in terms of consensus choice. Talks about Ethereum's proof of stake mechanism had been going on for years. By the time Cardano CEO Charles Hoskinson left Ethereum, proof of work was the method being used. Cardano had an excellent head start by starting out as a complete POS blockchain. The perception and message that Cardano communicated with the broader market was that they were going to beat Ethereum in everything from pricing to adoption to transaction speed and affordability. Indeed, Ethereum was by far the second slowest blockchain, and it still is even more than 2 years after moving completely to the Ethereum 2.0 blockchain, which ultimately has a proof-of-stake mechanism for processing transactions. Also, transaction fees on Ethereum are still as high as ever, and the network gets congested so easily. There are reasons that made the crypto community think that Cardano stood a chance of beating Ethereum. While they both agree on the same consensus, Cardano's is even much more refined since they have had more time to put it to use and develop it. The one thing that Ethereum had over Cardano at the time was the ability to build smart contracts, the key defining technology that made Ethereum the largest chain where newer crypto projects could be built and new tokens deployed in the decentralized finance market. Likewise, it aids the building of decentralized applications that can be useful to traders and developers. However, even that has become a sort of common quality between the two chains. Cardano has also done more to have a wider reach in regions of the world where cryptocurrencies have not yet become a known subject. They do so by spreading crypto education to different parts of the world, courtesy of the diligent work of the Cardano Foundation. Despite this, Cardano trades at less than $1. And Ethereum is valued at more than $2,500 in today's market price. In terms of its overall market share, Ethereum still has a considerably higher value of about $302 billion market cap than Cardano's $11.8 billion. Predictions suggest that by the time Cardano reaches Ethereum's market cap, it could have grown about 25x, the current price of about 33 cents, and surged to about $8.50 per ADA. At that price, 25,000 ADA would be worth about $212,500. However, the realistic valuation for Cardano does not see it doing more than a 5 to 10x performance. This gives us a moderate price prediction of $2 to $3 for Cardano. At those price levels, 25,000 Cardano would likely be worth about $50,000 to $75,000 max. That is still quite the bargain price for a token you spent $8,250 or even less if you accumulate the 25,000 ADA via dollar cost averaging until 2025. Anyway, the $3 price level is the point of fair return for Cardano, because it is the closest attainable price level to its all-time high value of about $3.10. With the news of a possible event of another bull run, people are considerably hyped up to once more see Cardano trading at a price much higher than $1 by 2025. From a technical perspective, Cardano's price chart for the next few months looks promising. It screams buy. The cryptocurrency has been moving steadily within an upward channel, showing strong momentum. The balance between buys and sells on the relative strength index is in a neutral position, indicating that the price is still in a position to consolidate, and as a result, it is waiting for a major trigger that would push it on an upward trajectory. Of course, this relies on some special update, giving it the much-needed price boost. Considering how strong Cardano has held around this price range, another forecast predicts that Cardano could reach around $5 per token. Holding 25,000 ADA could result in a return of approximately $125,500 by 2025. In August, another incredible upgrade came to the Cardano chain amidst strong competition from Base. The new update is known as the Chang hard fork. It was intended to introduce newer features to the network, such as the Plutus V3 and functionality like on-chain governance, aiming to improve the platform's scalability and decentralization. The upgrade is expected to make Cardano the go-to platform for decentralized applications, and more dApps mean more transaction activity for Cardano, which may result in a much higher price boost in the future. I guess we will see how this plays out. Please note that this is not a financial advice. Be sure to do your own research before buying Cardano ADA. Thanks for watching. I hope this deep dive into the future value of 25,000 ADA by 2025 has given you a better understanding of what to expect. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe for more updates on cryptocurrency trends and forecasts. Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below, and I will catch you guys in the next one.